looking after everyone, just providing a bit of support. That's my role. My name's Sean Bullard. My role at KiwiRail is the Network Performance Manager. Within the Wellington Metro region, I look after line access, so I oversee all our applications for line closures. The Hutt Valley Line has a fair percentage of Metlink's patronage. There's a lot of people that commute from long distances and use this particular part of the network. Easter and ANZAC weekend, we've got quite a lot planned on the Hutt Valley. We've got a 10-day shutdown for the entire line. We've got multiple crossovers and turnouts going in at various locations. We're replacing some rail on one of the bridges up north of Pomare, re-sleepering, and some track work going on at Manor Park. So big jobs happening. The reason why we package everything into a short window is that we've got the 2 holiday weekends side by side. It's a really good opportunity to disrupt the least amount of people. We understand that when trains aren't running, it affects a lot of people. We try to get their word out to the public as much as possible, just so people have enough time to sort of plan their lives around, perhaps not being able to catch the train or shifted to a bus. We do understand that rail work is very noisy. We limit what we do at night, particularly if it's going to be for a prolonged period of time. We do our best. It's really exciting for us to get in there and start chipping away at removing old infrastructure and get the new stuff in there. The long-term benefits is we won't have to close the line as much, so less disruption for customers.